Damn, son, where'd you find this?
My head hurt, overthinking too much. Bills coming back to back, I can't lie, I'm fed up. Mom said keep your head up, it's easier said than done. It's a lot of weight on your shoulders when you the chosen one. Want no one let me hold none, cause we all struggling, cause we all living check to check inside hustling. Can't wait till I run my bag up and get that coloring. Had my family pull up in black trucks like we the government. Go overseas, fuck on foreign hoes was on my bucket list. Move to the A, run up my cake was on my bucket list. I can't sit around doing the same thing, can't be content. Must've used a different type of knife, cause they not cut like this. I can tell they all cap, they never ran it up like this, up like this. Look, they never ran it up like this, like this. Yeah. My head hurt, overthinking too much, too much. My head hurt, overthinking too much, too much. And that's all you could. Alright man, if y'all liking how this content going, please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel and let me know what y'all want to see more of while I'm in Thailand.
All the time back that you hear go. Bruh.
Alright y'all, as y'all see, we checked out a lot of dope apartments, but some of them didn't meet our requirements. We wanted to make sure that we had a rooftop pool, a washer inside of our apartment, and a gym. And we wanted to make sure it was in our budget more than anything. So a lot of places we looked at didn't fit our needs, but we were blessed enough to find the spot that we living in now. I need y'all to get me to 1,000 subscribers before I reveal the apartment that I chose. Also, I want y'all to comment and let me know what y'all want to see more of in Thailand. Like, what should I do? You know, I'm just trying to let y'all live through me. You know, like, subscribe, comment. Thank y'all for watching this apartment tour. A lot more to come. And I wanted to do this because a lot of people think Thailand is like a third world country and it's shacks and shit, bro. They got better infrastructure than America, bro. So stay tuned, man. I got a lot more content coming. Free Danny the mixtape finna drop. You know, I'm about to turn 30. It's just life a blessing right now. I'm excited, and stay tuned.